Okay, I made it here. I'm in Koln, Germany. So I made it here. I'm on the train. I'm about to go to the Koln main train station. I've never been. Well, I've been to Koln, but I've driven to Koln. Never caught the train. So, but yeah. Alright. Kind of crazy. Woo. That's how it looks. That's how Germany looks. If you've never seen Germany, this is how the train station looks. Pretty nice, clean train station, man. And you guys need to come out where you can where you can click one button where you can flip the camera around. Alright. This train's leaving at 10:49 on the money. So hey. Alright. Look at it moving. 10:49 on the money. $10.49 on the money. Yeah, you just gotta pay for your ticket in advance, which I paid for one, but I'm super early with on the arrival of me getting here. So I'm almost an hour early, but I'm gonna go down to the main train station in Koln and just chill out. So it's gonna take me a bit of 20 minutes to get to Koln main train station. So. Alright. This is Germany. Haven't been here in a couple years. But I do like it. I still like it though. I still like it. People are nice. Most of them. Women are nice. Most of them. And nice, the nicest black man, Make sure I don't rob them. No, just kidding. No. But they don't look at us. Not really, they don't look at us as we're trying to rob them and thing. Just like America, so hey. It's not like America, my bad. Alright, so okay. I like it, man. I like it. So I got a whole hour to chill out at Koln's main train station into my next train. I'll be catching the ice. Actually, ice is the fastest train they got. So look at that. Look at that countryside. There's a lot of trees here, man. Generally. A lot of trains here. Oh yeah, it's not they don't speak too much. Well, they don't say nothing in English. Not too much. But, if you're in the main city like Frankfurt or, big cities, Wiesbaden or Kaiserslautern or, stuff like that. Those are most likely English places. Koln should be, I think this stuff is a lot of English stuff there, but hey. Look at that countryside. It's so peaceful riding the train, though. You sit here and just... Yeah. Alright. So I'll holler at y'all when I get to the main train. It's about another 10-15 minutes from now. Alright.